Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making chorizo chili. What all goes into chorizo chili? 1 pound of Mexican chorizo, 1 pound ground beef, 2 tablespoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, plus more to taste, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, 1½ tablespoons olive oil, 1 large white onion diced, 2 large red bell peppers stemmed, seeded, and diced, 3 cloves garlic minced. I've got the already minced kind, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1 15-ounce can black beans drained and rinsed, 1 15-ounce can pinto beans drained and rinsed, 2 15-ounce cans diced tomatoes, 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 5 cups of beef broth, 4 serving chopped cilantro, Monterey Jack shredded cheese, sliced green onion. Believe it or not, my store didn't have ones that weren't already sliced, fresh lime juice, sour cream, diced avocado. I didn't get any of that, and tortilla chips, but Dave and I like Fritos in our chili. So let's begin. Take a large bowl, mix together your 1 pound of ground beef, your 1 pound of Mexican chorizo, and actually mine is only 14 ounces, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, your 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, your 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and mix that up until thoroughly combined. I'm using my clean hands with my jewelry removed. In a large pot or Dutch oven, I'm actually going to use a stock pot because I just think it's going to make a lot. Add your meat mixture into the pot and cook it for about 8 minutes, breaking up the pieces until it is all cooked. After the meat mixture is cooked, remove it from the pan and put it in a medium-sized bowl. In the same pan over medium-high heat, add your 1½ tablespoons of olive oil. Add your 1 large onion, chopped, 2 red bell peppers, chopped. Saute for 5 minutes until they start to become tender. Then add your 3 cloves of garlic, minced, and your 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and cook that until the garlic becomes fragrant, about a minute. Then dump your cooked chorizo mix back in. Add your 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 can of pinto beans, drained and rinsed, your 2 cans of diced tomatoes, your 6-ounce can of tomato paste, your 5 cups of beef broth. If you want it a little bit thicker, just do 4 cups. Get that all stirred up. And when it comes to a boil, reduce it to low and simmer it for 45 minutes. So we're going to fix this up. It calls for tortilla shells, but we're going to use Fritos. And then we're going to add the chili. Again, if you want it thicker, use 4 cups of beef broth instead of 5. And then add some sliced green onions, a squeeze of lime, some cilantro, Monterey Jack cheese, and a dollop of sour cream. So here is the chorizo chili. Let's see what Dave thinks.
It smells like chili.
It is. It's chorizo chili.
A lot of chili.
It's using Mexican chorizo, so it might be spicy.
It's not too spicy. It's got a really good flavor to it. Yeah, it's not, it's got a little bit of bite to it, but it's not bad at all, but it's got a lot of flavor. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.